Good morning! Welcome to Sulit TV channel. Para sa mga bagong manonood, I hope you click the like button, subscribe button, pati na rin ang notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Para naman sa mga datihang nanonood, welcome back to the vlog. Today in this video, ay pupunta ako sa IKEA store somewhere in Exit 16, Eastern Ring Road, here in Riyadh. Kung paano pumunta doon, let's see on the map. Okay, nandito ako ngayon sa Alhambra Station ng red and purple lines. Sasakay ako sa purple line patungong An-Nasim Station. And at An-Nasim Station, nilipat ako sa orange line. Then, patungong Harun al-Rashid Road Station. Doon ay bababa ako at sasakay ako sa bus number 350. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano makarating sa Exit 16 kung saan nandoon ay IKEA store. Tingnan natin. Let's explore. Sana samahan niyo ako. Please! And ito naman ang bound to An-Nasim Station, ang purple line.
Attention please. Stand on the right when using escalators. Destination An-Nasim. المحطة التالية البرتقالي. Next station An-Nasim.
This is the way, Jeddah Road. One station away lang ang Harun al-Rashid Road Station. Doon ako baba. Dito na ngayon ako sa Harun al-Rashid Station. Paano maghanap ng bus number 350? Hindi na ako tinuturo. 2 arrows. Labas ako ngayon ng train station, obviously. There you are. Walang 350 akong nakikita. Ah? Saan pupunta? Saan ako ngayon pupunta nito? Bus number 350. Nasaan ka? I feel yung station na yan. Bus station, tingnan natin. Kung ipapakita sa atin, tuturo sa atin ang mapa. I wanna know where. IKEA from here.
5 miles and 20 minutes.
What is your name?
Smart.
My name is Greg. I'm vlogging.
You have another?
Small one. Can you support me? I have a small YouTube channel. If you can subscribe to me in YouTube.
Okay.
I don't know how to use the Riyadh Transport app. Right? 350? I'm already here. Only one bus, right away. Please, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Good luck to your interview. Wow. Swerte ko. 350. Parang itong sasagot. Kabayan pa. Kabayan? Kabayan?
Nepal.
Nepal. I will go to IKEA.
Where?
IKEA. IKEA.
IKEA.
Yeah. Near exit 16.
Ana Mafia Anaro, me going to this Harun Rashid. I can write Umar bin Al Khattab
Inta.
until the National Museum.
Okay, okay. I will try here.
So you know?
I will try here. Thank you, I will try your route. Hindi ko alam kung tama itong route na tinahak ko at yung bus na sinakyan ko. Fortunately, I am on the right bus. Bus number 350. Bumaba ako sa Harun al-Rashid station na Orange Line, and then a few meters walk, may isang station doon kung saan pagtas or dumadaan yung bus number 350 ng Riyadh bus. At ito ngayon ako with this kind gentleman from Nepal patungo sa Umar bin Khattab station. Station number 409. Doon ako bababa.
Currently navigate your journey by tapping your thumb card, back card, or being on the bus for mile avenue.
Ayun. Ayun yung IKEA store. That is where the IKEA store is located. Are you gonna take U-turn? No? You go straight? You will go straight, huh?
Yes, I will go straight. So you want to go here?
Yeah, yeah, that's the area. I saw the IKEA. Thank you, my dear. IKEA, yeah, there. Thank you, appreciate. Oh. Ang init. Ano ngayon tayo tatawid? Siyempre, maglalakad, tatawid. Lalakad tayo ngayon patungo doon. Doon. Kitang sa area na yun. Ang paraan. Hirap talaga ng walang sasakyan, ano? Hirap ng poor. Kailangan masulit ang punta ka dito. Layo eh. Walang dinaanan. Where is the entrance? The other side, I think. Okay. Ito ang reception area nila. Showroom entrance. It's great to see. Pagod guys. Hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa nakikita yung hinahanap ko. Kasi ang lesson dito, dapat bago kayo mag-shopping, alam niyo na kung ano yung bibilin niyo at hahanapin niyo. In my case, hindi ko alam kung ano yung hinahanap ko. Kaya tatagal ako. Seriously, I'm looking for a foam. Yung extra layer ng office chair foam. Or cushion tawag na, di ba? Parang pillow. Tingnan natin. Baka naman merong isa talagang section para sa mga pillows. Hindi ko lang nakikita. So far, ito lang yung pillow na nakikita ko. Iba naman pillow to eh. Para to sa mga sofa bed eh, di ba? Kakita ko kanina eh. Ito na. Ayan, from the entrance. Ano man, nandito lang yun sa bungad. Ito yung entrance. Then, para siyang maze. Kalat-kalat siya. Walang masyadong attendant. Okay, he said follow the line. Daling na ako dito eh. No. Hindi yun. Wala man. Laki-laki ng store. O baka naman separate talaga yung kanilang section for pillows and cushion. Akala ko sa lamig. Doors na to eh. Daming mabibili dito guys. Talagang ano lang, pera lang kailangan. Para sa'yo. So, continue shopping downstairs, turn left. Pero Swedish restaurant, nasa right lang. Ayun. Ito pa. Extension to ng store going down. Ayun oh, dami oh. No, not this one. Again, pillow lang to ng sofa. Ito yung mga little items, ano? Mga detailed. Cutlery, kitchen tools, utensils. Wala dito. Hoping na meron. Nandito. Sabi na oh, cutlery. Cutlery sets. $299. Grabe. Kakain ka pa ba niyan? Ang kakain mo ba yan? Libo sa piso. There you are. Wala man. Ganyan sana oh. Ito. Similar to this. Pero medyo high-end ng konti ang quality. Kakakita rin tayo. Don't worry. Wala man. Ito madalas talaga to eh. Lagi kong nakikita to eh. Peach man lang or beige. Peach siguro. Peach color. Baka wala akong nakitang medyo mas makapal dito. Ito na. Ayun. Dito pala sa warehouse ang dating. Ang ending. Kaya natin, baka naman meron. Kaya lang dito mga nakapack na yan. Ano? Ganyan yan, no? May pasulpot na ganito. Ay, mga ganitong bin ang dapat binabantayan natin, tinitingnan. Wala talaga. Ito, ano mang kulay yan guys? Medyo dark. Lutang na lutang. Sige, ito na lang siguro. No. Isa naman wala akong mabili. Kano isa? 29. Ito na guys. Finally decided. Bibili natin. At pupunta tayo sa cashier. Dinakit tayo sa Swedish restaurant ng IKEA. Tingnan natin kung anong mga food options doon.
احنا بيبعت له مسج فيديو عم ببهدل فيه
Excuse me.
وعم بيستعمل كلام كثير كثير
This one, right? Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, I got one. Hindi naman tayo na zero. Dito ay mayroong ano. Wow. Chips. Hindi masyadong mahal, no? Mga 16 reals sila. Oh. Swedish food na yun. Oh, yun mo. Pangalan nito. Parang Pinoy yan, no? Egg pie. Is it? 16 reals. Brownies, ano? Cake. Ito naman ay salad, fruit and vegetables. I think I need to get a tray. Yun, no? Beef sausage 6, scrambled egg 6, hash brown, beef bone, bacon. Can I order, please? How are you?
Very good.
You're from which country?
Country, India.
India. I'm from the Philippines. I think I have to try beef sausage.
Sorry, we are this one only breakfast. We have lunch.
Lunch, only available in the,
Try me too.
during breakfast. I'll just take a view. Barbecue ribs? No. Lemon chicken piccata. Chicken masala. Yeah, I think chicken masala is good for me. Chicken masala.
Chicken masala.
How many years now are you working?
Yeah, I guess. Almost
12, huh? Very long. So I will pay
half of generation it is
how much? How half of my life, huh?
half of life.
Sadly,
It's okay, life is
this is life, huh? This is life. It's a choice. It's a choice. I think it's a choice. Nice to meet you. 32, right?
yes.
Thank you. Dito tayo sa dito tayo sa mataas na lugar. Sa Baguio. Sa mataas na lugar eh. Yung sa mababang lugar na lang. Sa Little Baguio. Patawa. O Lower Baguio pala. Baka magalit sa vlogging natin eh. Naku. Very good. Got chicken masala. Kaon guys. Atak. Mas kubatan, hindi ko makautos. Lasang chicken masala. Curry. Curry ng curry. Yung lasa. Okay, to wrap up this video guys, I think I have to end the vlog here. Hindi ko na siguro babalikan pa yung ruta ko kanina. May riding a bus at saka train. Medyo mainit ang panahon for me to take that route again. Thank you for joining me until this point, and I hope to see you again in the next vlog. Bye bye!